Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm in Incredible Edible Gardens here at the Rory Myers Children's Adventure Garden. And I want to talk about a cool plant that you can plant in your yard, easy to grow, and it'll come back year after year. It's asparagus. I've got some that I just harvested right here, you can see in my hand. And it's just the new growth spike of the plant itself. And when fully grown, if you don't harvest, you'll get these large fern-like leafy plants that you see right here. Pretty attractive actually. So when you're done harvesting asparagus, you can let the shoots just continue to grow, and then these plants will be beautiful until frost each year. It'll come back every year. To get asparagus, you should buy the rhizomes at the garden center, or you can just order them online and have them shipped to you. You plant those, it takes a year for them to grow and develop, and so it's the second year where you'll really start to harvest some asparagus, and then they'll get better and better year after year as the plant material gets bigger underneath the ground. But asparagus is a fun thing to plant. It needs a sunny spot in the yard, preferably with pretty rich soil, and you'll do a really good job of having asparagus year after year. See you real soon.